Hey, what's up YouTube? Jack in the lake, Jack in the ocean. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a forest in Unity by creating a terrain. So as you know, as you see, I'm in front of the camera again. And guys, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to the channel because I really need some support. So let's start the video. So guys, before we start, we need three things, three assets. Now I'm gonna show you. Free ground materials, rocks, and then there's a tree pack, which these three assets I'm gonna share with you in the description down below, the links. If you want, you can use also, it's free to use. So I already downloaded. So let's create terrain. So it's pretty big, so therefore I'm gonna change size. Is it mesh resolution? We come here and there's a terrain width. I'm gonna do terrain width to 400 and terrain length 400 also. So let's zoom out, zoom in. Yeah, looks pretty well, to be honest now. So let's go to painting part. So we're gonna choose firstly paint texture in here. So then we're gonna click on edit terrain layers. So we're gonna click on create layer. Let's choose ground material texture, and as you see, all the ground is covered by this texture. Let's zoom in and you can see in more details. As you see. So the next thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna add some path. So let's click on terrain and let's click on stamp terrain. Not stamp terrain actually. Set height. So let's make height 4, and I'm gonna click on flatten all. Cool. Now all terrain height will increase 4 times more. So the next thing I'm gonna do is click on raise or lower terrain. This brush is okay. So, and also size is also not bad. So if we click left, as you know, it will be a raise, and if we click shift and left mouse button, it will be lower. So now I'm gonna press on shift and click on left mouse button. Now actually I'm creating a path on terrain. Let's see. Yeah, it's cool now. It doesn't look bad. Also, I want to make one more path from here to here. So the another thing I'm gonna do is click on now. I'm gonna add some. I'm gonna a little bit raise some parts of the terrain. Not too much. It's not look good actually. I'm gonna press on Ctrl and Z. So let's do this on this part of the terrain. So the next thing we're going to paint texture, and we're gonna create another layer. So I'm going to choose this diffuse, and I'm clicking on that. So let's get closer. Also, I want to change brush size. So let's make 33. Oopsie, 33. Yeah, it's not bad actually now. As you see now, we paint some textures on it, we create a path, and we create some hills on terrain. That's it for now, guys.